We're at SIM-PAC Live Melbourne. I'm with Tony Collister from Danbar Plastics Fibre Division. They walked away with an award last night, Judges Commendation Award, for resource recovery. Well deserved. Yeah, congratulations.
Thanks very much, Jeff. Much appreciated.
Tell us a little bit, just for the audience, a little bit of what you do at Danbar Plastics Fibre Division.
Okay, well at Danbar Plastic we make a fibre which is called a macrosynthetic fibre from 100% recycled plastic. As you can see here, this is the product that we make, and it's actually used to reinforce concrete, and it replaces your steel mesh in applications like shared user paths, footpaths, non-structural applications, traffic island infills, very similar to what you can see here.
Right, and that's a win-win, because you're taking plastic out of the environment that already existed, and you're also displacing steel, which is a really CO2 intensive material.
Yep.
to make new. So
Yeah, well, it's almost got a fourfold benefit, if you
Yep.
like. We're cheaper because we're actually, materially wise against steel mesh, it works out to be about between, say, 3 to 5% cheaper,
Yeah.
depending upon where you are. We're reducing our carbon footprint by anywhere from potentially, say, 82, 83% up to nearly 90%, again, depending on the application. All of our products are packaged by people with disabilities, so we actually create that benefit from a social inclusion perspective.
Yes.
And as you mentioned, obviously we're taking waste that would have ended up in the landfill and we're turning it into a product where we're actually, our taxes pay for 99% of this type of work.
Yeah.
Because footpaths, shared user paths, all roadworks, they're all government funded, which is technically our tax dollars
Yes.
at work. So we like to think that we're actually turning our taxes into actually usable applications.
Brilliant. No wonder the judges loved the company and what you were doing, and you won the award. Congratulations, Tony.
Thanks very much, Jeff.